Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make spiralized zucchini salad. And here is the ingredients right here. We have the zucchini right here, and we're gonna use green onions. We're also gonna use carrot and a little bit of the onions. And after that, we're gonna make a little bit of the kind of like dressing to go with it, with the olive oil, black pepper, lime or lemon, and salt to taste. So let's begin the cutting. Right here, we're gonna first of all, we're gonna cut all these things have washed so that the time will be reduced to make this salad. Okay, so we're gonna chop the ones that I need to chop first. So we're gonna cut this up here. Then we're just gonna chop the green onions. This is a kind of vegetarian salad because we're not gonna have any meat in it. It's optional. To make it vegetarian, we don't have to add any meat, but you can add meat if you so desire. So, and this is the bowl we're gonna mix everything in right here. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of the onion. So the onion, we're just gonna slice it. Basically, I'm gonna just slice it into the bowl directly. Okay, so when you just break it apart, so it will be in single form. We don't want it to be in layers like that. Though when we mix it, it will also break apart. So this is what we have so far. Now we're gonna start the spiralizing. I'm gonna spiralize the zucchini, and as well I'm gonna go directly into the spiralizer here. Let's try this side and see. So this is it. That onion is very strong. Just got into my eyes. Oh, I'm sorry. If you don't have the blenders that can spiralize, this is the spiralizer. It's a handy one that you can use. This is it right here. And it's very effective as well. I don't used to like salad until I said this. So when you get to the end, these have a cover that you can use. so you don't hurt your finger, so you can spiralize everything. I think that's basically it. That's it. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. All right, so let's do the spiralize the carrot. I'm gonna put some of this part on. So this is a quick salad. So we're gonna start spiralizing the carrot. Let's see. We can start use this time. Like I said, some blenders can sterilize this, or there are other more effective machines that you can use to spiralize these vegetables. So it's gone. All right. Okay, all right, so we are done. Let me see. All right, so we're gonna mix everything together. So if you're trying to make this, after you spiralize this, what you need to do is, if it's something that you're not eating at that particular moment, just put some salt in it and let it sit for a while. It will just kind of like drain the water from the vegetables if you just don't want all that water in it. So now this is ready. I'm gonna add some salt to it. Add some salt and some black pepper. With the salt, you don't even need to really put salad dressing. The salt and black pepper, oh God, it's actually good enough. I've never eaten any salad that good. Here. All right, we're going to make just the simple dressing. Everything is gonna go directly into the bowl. So I'm gonna put the juice of half lemon or lime, and then I have I'm gonna put just half tablespoon of olive oil, and we'll stir everything together. And to give it extra crunch, we're going to add some roasted almonds. This is the roasted almond. I'm gonna mix everything together. This is very delicious. Once you season it with salt and pepper, the rest of the stuff you just put in it just to add more ingredients to it. But otherwise, this is all. Let me taste it to make sure I have enough seasoning in it. Oh my God, seriously, you need to try this. If you're somebody who doesn't like salad, believe me, you need to try this and let me know what you think about it. So, we're going to serve it on a plate. And this made is very simple. Very, very simple salad that you can make when you are in a hurry. It's very, very delicious. Very, very delicious. My next video, I'm going to show you another way you can make your zucchini. So here you go. And there is my spiralized zucchini carrot salad with onions, salt and pepper to taste. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Like, share, tell me what you think. Are you gonna try this? This is very delicious, and you're gonna ask me what is the importance of this salad, right? So this is a very low carb, low fat, low calorie salad. Very delicious and very easy. Everything is good about this salad. The zucchini is very low in calories. Carrot is low in calories. Plus the carotene in the carrot that is good for your eyes, and vitamin A that is good for your eyes. The onions, is in the garlic family. They are natural antibiotic, antifungal, antiviral. And also the zucchini is very, very low in calories. So all these fresh ingredients with the zest of the lime, which is packed with vitamin C, you got you a very quick, easy, healthy but delicious salad. Here, from my family to yours. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.